I'm Calvin Robertson.
I'm Benny Herring.
We're with the Father Engagement Unit. We're going to use the activity ball because this is how we, get the guys to relax a little bit in group.
Sounds good.
The men come to the group and they're a little nervous, so today I've got the warm-up ball. So what we're going to do is we're going to use our left thumb, whatever it lands on. It just kind of helps you to relax.
Why do we warm up?
Well, when you come to these groups, the men are a little nervous. They don't know each other. Why am I here? What can you do for me because I'm not talking? It gets them warmed up a little bit. It gets them so they loosen up a little bit. I need them to relax because it's a discussion. It's a men's discussion, but I need them to relax.
Okay.
This is one way that I found it works. These counts involved. So whatever lands on your left thumb,
All right.
that's what I want you ready. Okay, so
Name your favorite actor. I'll go with Denzel Washington.
okay. And so you were just passing around the group, and mine says, wait a minute, hold it. Name the most interesting place you've visited. Puerto Rico, okay? And so you just keep tossing it around the group, and there are different ones. There are different ones that I have, but this is the one I generally lose at the beginning of the class.